Okay, full power first. Okay. I think my hair is a good indicator.
Good, good. Yeah, mine too. Look at mine. So Huawei just brought us to experience the Porsche Design Mate 20 RS, and we're going to test drive one of these as part of the show. This is going to be fantastic. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow. Let's do this.
Give you an understanding of how to push those cars towards the potential, but to do that safely. To help you do that, we have two main elements. The first one is your Porsche driving consultant. So at all times when you're driving out of the facility, you will have one of our driving team. Now, we like to think we've got the most highly qualified and highly experienced team of instructors within the UK.
This is a 911 GTS rear-wheel drive. It's a 3-litre bike turbo with 450 brake horsepower. So you can see this one's got the standard steel brakes as well. 911 Gen 2, 901.
Wow. Oh, this is insane. I don't know if I'm more excited about the track than anything. So which is your favorite car?
So mine is GT3 RS probably. So
Okay.
The green one in front. I mean, this is my second favourite. So really, I'd still be happy with this.
Yeah.
But yeah, GT3 RS. They're just they're very mechanical. A lot of character as well. This is a problem.
Come on, get out of the way. Everyone meet Kat. She's crazy enough to drive with me today. And we're going to experience what?
So this is the new GT3, so 901 Generation 2.
Yes.
So it's a 4-litre, naturally aspirated 500 brake horsepower car.
Wow.
As you can see, with ceramic brakes as well. Yeah, so a special car.
All right. So Kat is going to do the driving now, because one of the major issues with previous Huawei devices was stabilization at 4K. So I've asked Kat to drive the way she drives, and I am literally going to strap myself really hard.
Okay.
Oh, so we're doing manual.
Yeah.
All right.
Multitasking. It's a female thing.
Of course. Do it.
Okay.
Do it. Yes.
So this is where it will feel a little bit different.
Yes. God. See, Kat, you're making me feel so bad about my driving right now. God, I drive so terribly. I feel so embarrassed right now.
Yeah, that's an experience.
Yes. Oh, this is good. Do it.
So the launch control. Okay, so you just got to go into PDK Sport, which is down here. And then what we do is we switch our feet round. So you probably can't see it from there. We've got left foot on the brake, and then you're going to go full power whilst you're on the brake, and then just drop the brake. And then it's going to try and get off the line as quickly as it can with minimal wheel spin.
Okay, show me how I was supposed to do it, and I sucked at it.
Okay, you ready?
Whenever you are.
Okay, so
Do
full
it.
power first.
Oh, this is great! They're teasing you. They know you're behind. They know you're better than them. They're not giving you a turn signal. Everyone, she's okay. She's alive and in one piece. Kat, I'm so sorry. I apologize for my driving.
It's absolutely fine.
Even my bag didn't like it. Oh god, this was great. This was fantastic.
And now for the reason we're really here. Meet the new Porsche Design Huawei Mate 20 RS. At a time when luxury phones are either extinct or well dated in their spec sheets, this one is not. It's actually the first time that I've truly felt inclined to even consider a luxury-focused special edition smartphone. Porsche Design has spent decades garnering lots of fame for making truly timeless products, and the Mate 20 RS is no exception. This would be the fourth collaboration between companies, with this one being probably the most iconic in my opinion. The unboxing experience is as Porsche Design as it gets. It's a far larger box for a couple of key elements that are now colored in black instead of the standard white. Inside we've got the phone front and center and a card at the top to confirm authenticity. Below we've got more than your standard phone. We've got two 40-watt fast-charging wall adapters, one of UK and the other of EU configurations, two USB-A to USB-C cables, a pair of headphones with USB-C connection, a protective case that's designed to blend with the phone, and then the essentials like literature, SIM ejector tool, and, you guessed it, the 3.5mm headphone dongle. The device is simply gorgeous. There's an interesting finish that blends leather with glass, with the leather being of genuine US cowhide, which according to the company takes 4 weeks to produce. It comes in two finishes, black and red, with the latter being exclusive to China. Sadly, it's actually my favorite one. One of its key differentiating elements is that, well, notice, there is no camera hump. Porsche Design claims that they worked hard on achieving this level of symmetry. It's actually really difficult to tell that the Mate 20 RS is slightly thicker than the Mate 20 Pro in order to make this possible. Internally, the Mate 20 RS is pretty much almost the same Mate 20 Pro, but with some key additions. We've got the same Kirin 980 7nm processor, the same 4200 mAh battery, same IP68 water and dust resistance, and same cameras. What changes is that there's only an 8GB of RAM option, with tiers that go from 256 or 512 gigs of storage. The device also has its own flavor of software essentials like Porsche wallpapers, audio tones, theme icon packs, etc. And you also guessed it, the price is Porsche Design. And before you gag on those numbers, just remember this is a limited edition phone. It's not going to be easy to find, and it's definitely not for everyone. And yes, is it gorgeous? Oh my god, it is probably the phone that I would totally want to have this year. Now, I'm not going to bore you on the rest of the features given its similarities to the Mate 20 Pro, so just remember that our hands-on video is already live in the links. Let us know what you think about the new Porsche Design Huawei Mate 20 RS in the comments, in addition to your thoughts on our whole experience trying this phone for a day. While you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media, subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.